Bin.
Destination NINH BINH. Tomo with his cheeky helmet.
So you can go. I don't know why I said no. Yeah, we'll sit down, we'll sit down.
You want to stop?
Yeah.
They want us to do this fucking weird V shit.
It's not far. It's like a block.
Yeah, but why do we have to do it when we can just go straight?
It's avoiding tolls. Maybe the toll gate's there.
Surely not. Oh, toll booth. You're right, hey. Legit. Actually.
Bay, past Haiphong, and we're there. And we
Park's Haiphong.
we've already passed Haiphong. Hey, dude, we can easily make it to NINH BINH.
Yeah, sure. Before dark.
3 hours to go. That's what it says. 3 to go. Guess we get some Vietnamese watches. They didn't want it, so they gave it to us. It's been good, but I'd have this over like most shit here. You have this over a pho. Any day. Bro, it's just rice. And like round things in it. I mean big stuff. I have some. Don't be supposed to have some. That's your good. So disrespectful, man. Yeah. I feel disrespectful, but I'm still gonna have it. What brings us is like Ciao. Peace out. Oh.
Am I doing it right?
No, only too quick. One at a time.
Oh. Tell me you don't know what it is. Try it.
You look inside it and it's already bitten. Somehow. Like, clearly sealed up.
Try it.
I will. I haven't finished my entree yet.
How do I do it?
Should I ask you guys?
Yeah.
Ask the guy.
You do something wrong with being disrespectful. You should like eat broccoli raw in front of me. What is good? They're gonna join in.
Should eat the skin. Put the inside out and just eat the skin. Like peel it and throw the inside out.
No, look at it. That's actually what it's done.
Yeah, look.
You're speedy.
You ready?
Ew. Fucking straight past us.
Ready?
Ew. Full on the brakes.
Where'd you go, man?
What is it?
It's like
Pals.
I was stopped at this shop.
Yeah.
Asked this lady for plastic bags,
What the fuck?
and she gives me like I wore one of them, and it's like from Imperial for like that. I think it's waterproof. Let's go.
What the hell?
Alright, gotta hang a left at the Honda Tien Lai.
Honda
right,
Tien Lai.
but okay. It's left. Fastest go, you left and right, mix up again. Then we go down here.
Oh, it's the other way around, right?
Plus then we're in NINH BINH, cheeky bin. So I reckon once we start to get closer, we'll find accommodation. Yeah.
So I get Samsung, dude.
Samsung would have been like fucking the opposite direction.
So I found a place for $8.
Yeah.
It looks bloody awesome. It's got a pool.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Hold on. It's called the Mountain House.
Yes.
It's a bit like out of the city centre, but
Have hair dryers.
hair dryers and fans. That's all we need. If they have like a washing, we should find an accommodation with a washing machine, like laundry.
Let's just go there.
Yeah, this is fine though. So we gotta turn right
After the bridge.
after the bridge.
Zoom out a bit.
Second right after the bridge.
We'll search for directions after the bridge.
Okay.
Let's go find Pasa.
Yeah. What did you tell Fasa?
I said like, oh, where are you? We tried beating.
Yeah.
Like, live.
Yeah. Did you?
Yeah. And he just kept going, so he was pulled over, so I said just like, stay somewhere sheltered and we'll come to you. And then I look at my phone and it's like, so I don't know where kind of. Like, we beat. Dude.
Yeah. What? That's like semi alright. Eminem and like Rihanna. I don't know.
Bro.
Oh, like Monster? You want Monster?
I just dropped my screw that. Are you kidding me? I said move over, I want to be in the front of it. That man.
Oh yeah, the boys. It's just three. You're getting a private tour.
Yeah, go full speed. Hey, what's the max speed?
I'll show you. You know those thingies do the wheelie?
Rainbow.
Yeah. Oh, on the other side.
That's one of the few words he knows.
Through the cave or something. It's a dead end, bro. She's tracking us. No. No, don't waste it. Film from the front. It looks weird with like all your life jackets on.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Duck.
Stand up.
That's what Jumbo was gonna do. Like, go left, go right.
Grab onto a rock and just
Turn the boat.
or hang there, like let the boat go under you. It's gonna get you faster. Oh shit, it's really hectic.
I can dog a pass again.
Yeah.
In front of us.
Dude. Alright.
This thing passes like disappearing.
I kick him back out. Kick him.
I want to go to the cave myself.
So I wish you stop fucking around. I'm gonna lose a job. This is where we stayed at last night.
Hello. Hello again.
Yeah, good.
It's empty.
No one there.
No.
Yeah, super quiet.
Yeah.
Good. Really good.
Private.
Lot of people.
No.
No one.
No one.
No one.
Like
Probably.
a couple of people.
3 people.
Yeah,
Yes.
pretty
Yeah.
much. Like
Probably because of the rain. No
the
rain.
rain.
Wet.
Yeah.
When we come back, no rain. So many people.
Yeah, so many people. Yeah.
A lot of.
Ô, vậy chả này không khách à? Hay bảo có 3 đứa thôi.
Get on, broski. What the hell?
They just came running across.
Yo, this is crazy. This country is crazy. Get on both.
I see you in the distance, like 2 bikes stuck to each other.
Communist symbol there, the one made out of concrete. The reason why it's broken is because during the war, a plane dropped a bomb on it, and it exploded on it. How crazy is that? Out here with the locals.
Do you like
Gà nướng thì sẽ hơi lâu đó, chỉ có gà luộc, có gà luộc hoặc là thịt luộc.
Attaboy meatballs.
Surf tofu. Dry items. Surf tofu.
Sesame dip. Sesame.
Which one's like rice? Rice.
It was working. You could
Yeah,
see.
fried
Fried
I said random stuff.
This is a seafood stir fry. You got fried rice. Got this for free from these people. Broccoli soup.
No, broccoli soup.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Peanuts.
And peanuts.
We had carrots before.
Carrots. And then what was the other dish that we had first?
It was like really nice.
Who ordered that?
No one.
Yeah. Is that free as well? Yeah. It's crazy. How do you say that in Vietnamese? Bạn đẹp lắm.
Em đẹp lắm.
Em đẹp lắm. Em đẹp lắm.
Đẹp plum. Is it em đẹp plum? Em đẹp plum. Em đẹp plum. Remember that?
You are a plum.
I'm a plum, bro. I'm beautiful. What do you mean? Oatmeal. Meal? Someone said like Singchao oatmeal. What's that mean?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
Singchao?
oatmeal.
What about oatmeal? Oatmeal.
No, like.
Joe said like someone said hello oatmeal to us.
Yeah. Bro, that's insulting.
I know, like, I think we like play it slow. Joe was just like laughing at it, yeah. Like, it was like 4v3, so we could have pumped them.
What music do you listen to?
Music.
Music.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What do you listen to?
Jazz.
Jazz.
Pop. And some USA.
What's that?
Oh no. I mean Korea pop and
K-pop.
yes and
BTS?
no, I don't like BTS. It's so gay.
What about? That's well put. Bum de blum. Bột. Chào bột. Chào bột.
You didn't say but.
I did. Bột. Yến. Mạch. Chào bột. Yến mạch.
Yeah.
Xin chào, tôi tên là Minh.
Hello, my name is Minh.
I mean, oh, how do you say? How do you say my name is? Like so, Singchao. My name is Dylan.
Xin chào, tôi tên là Trang.
How do you say?
Xin chào, tôi tên là Dylan.
Tôi tên là Dylan. Singchao, tôi tên là Dylan.
Tôi chào là Dylan.
Tôi tên là.
Tôi tên là
Tôi tên là.
Hang on, say it slow. So Doi.
Isn't that Chinese?
No, yeah, no, it's Doi La Zuho.
Oh, what Sushi was Chinese?
Doi La Zuho.
Melon.
Watermelon. Zuho. Yes, Doi La Zuho. You like to say I'm a watermelon in 7 languages. I can say I'm a watermelon in 7 languages.
English, Japanese, Vietnamese, Chinese,
Arabic, Iranian, Arabic. What else is more?
Korean.
Korean, yeah. Yeah.
Really, what is it?
Namin Suba. Doi La Zuho.
You want a girlfriend?
He has a boyfriend.
You're gonna pass out, mate.
Lấy lượt bình lượt khác. Đó.
I'm so fucked.
Cần gì phải ho thế?
Flower plants, full flower.
Xin chào.
scared.
She's fucking terrified. She's Korean.
She wasn't.
She looked Korean, bro.
She doesn't. We got beer. Beer 25,000. Shows them top. Sweet. Some modern looking shower. It's got a hairdryer. It's got toilet paper. Hey!
Every hotel, do we get a hairdryer?
My boy. It's not bad. Not bad for $8. Why are you washing your shoes, man?
Shut the fuck up!
So, Pastor's been washing his shoes for 10 minutes because he thinks it's not going to rain for the rest of the trip. He wants his shoes clean for some reason. I show the camera.
Go away.
Now.
Grip?
Change it.
Change this?
Here's the hostel that this guy said.
Oh yeah.
Wanna go there?
Is that closer than Dong Hue?
Yeah. By like probably an hour.
Oh sweet. Let's go. Well, also, if you haven't noticed, 12 bum me later. Gonna ask for your sixth?
Sure.
Wait, is that your sixth?
Fuck it.
Oh damn.
Two more?
Yeah, hey.
See that thing floating in the
Bum
sky
le
back there?
blum. Nah, what?
Oh, it's weird. Like a fat balloon.
Huh?
Like a really fucking big balloon in the sky.
You mean like an aeroplane? Like
Kinda, it had wings. Nah, it's just like a ball.
I maybe you got cataracts.
The fuck? Yeah, it's been following us since supper, bro.
Stand up. I should stand up here with my hat on. Hey.
Hat and sunglasses at night. Google Translate stop and start screaming.
It's such a weird place to put a police officer. Like, so high up. Hey, hey!
And the translation for stop is
It's so small. My head will be at the top.
and my forehead will be touching this. Shows the cave. Oh, it goes in. If we can find a boat. But how sick is that? The water just appears from it. Yeah, that's cool. Where does it come out the other side? Probably like goes in from around here. We should start heading. Yeah, that's good. Alright, thank you very much. Thank you.
Selfie.
Selfie. Let's go.
Okay. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Goodbye. See you again.
See you. See you.
Oh my god. Sure this is the route, man? Yeah. Sick. Left or right? You sure? This is the way? Oh fuck. Close. Yeah. What's that meant to do? Start it. Oh. Alright, sick. Yeah. Well, look at it. Look at it steaming. What?
Bleeding.
Oh.
No.
What? How would I have done that? Like over a rock?
Yeah. So, something the world that just rolled it up or something.
Rồi trước mình người ta ngủ rú luôn á.
Oh, it's at the end. It's not.
Nói bao lô điện thoại nó cháy được rồi, không sao nữa đâu. Rồi.
Ok.
Come on.
Hồi nãy nụ rồi. Cho bay mấy cái gì.
Thôi, cắt đi.
Gì, không lấy.
Có gì cắt đi.
So just like juice that was around the chain.
Yeah. Like, probably just like oil or lube that sprayed up inside there that got cleaned out with the water.
It's really thin, I don't know.
Is it closed? Hello? We want to go that way. Yeah. Dylan, is the pathway that way?
No.
Yeah. Big cave. Hang on. We want to go to a cave.
Chúng tôi muốn đi đến một hang động.
Muốn đi về hang động đi đường này.
Oh, okay. Can we go that way? Wait.
Come on.
Thank you. Come on.
Drone shot of us like walking.
Oh!
Holy fuck. Bro.
Oh, there's someone there. Mm-hmm. same thing to blow my friend, my brain came for what I say. We say, we say, gonna be saying, Trang, yes, what's wrong? Testing video, testing.
Excuse the softness.
She gonna come back and do ours? He's butchered straight through. What the hell? Oh fuck! I can't be reuse this. Is it easy? Oh, dry my feet. I can hear your music.
iPhone earphones. Very good.
A little fish. This Vietnamese guy is allegedly taking us to some Vietnamese war tunnels from the Vietnam War. So to ambush the Americans during the Vietnam War. And he's gonna go and take the shots around. It's 100,000 dong each. We talked it down from 200 each. But, yeah.
Đây, small.
Whack your head. Fell over.
Fell over. Hit his head.
Oh, wait.
Chết, die.
Oh, he's talking about himself.
People die. The ride motorbike, motorbike die.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
Really
like,
here?
People die.
Here?
People die. People and army open, keep the power. Powder outside
the powder.
from Metal Memorial, you know?
Yeah.
Where can we get the powder?
Powder, yeah.
Yeah, where can we find it?
Find it before and village here. Boom, plane.
Huge.
Yeah,
Is that shot from the ships?
yeah.
From the ships.
No, no ship in here. The bomb plane.
Plane drop that.
Da Nang. The bomb here.
The name.
Thailand. B-52.
Oh,
B-52.
B-52 Thailand here. Yeah.
carries that.
In here small here. Da Nang. Plane Da Nang.
Crazy.
B-52 Thailand. Come back.
Far out.
South Vietnamese, no airport. B-52. No, Thailand.
Yeah.
In here the telephone, American telephone. For me about 5 B-52.
Yeah.
Fighting bomb here. Okay, quickly.
Bombs carry these.
It's crazy.
Look at 10 centimeter thick metal.
Reckon that's bolted down somehow, or it's just sitting there.
It's like you can't move that.
And man, to drink beer. Man, beer.
Yeah.
A lot beer. They ride motorbike.
Yeah, and then
And accident.
yeah,
Have a die.
and they hit a dog,
Yeah.
and then yeah.
And 23.
Entrance.
And people will talk careful, okay?
Yes.
He's talking to me.
The hand. For me, the hand.
Hold your hand.
Oh.
Sorry.
Did you hear that drum?
Oh, I told you so.
Did you hear the drum?
Oh.
My head's getting used to it.
Have oil.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
And also here and oh.
That's karma, bro. For dissing
I told you slow. Have oil.
Oil?
Oil. Is it there?
No, it's okay. I'll rock.
He needs a new one.
Amputate.
Amputate my head.
That's what the guy was saying.
Careful, okay?
Yeah.
Pass up.
And soil stone.
A rock.
Yeah. And the people building about 2.5 years. Yeah.
Look. 2.5 years.
Yeah.
Yo, is that moving? Don't do that.
Hold on. I can like pull this part of the wall.
Like carbon hand?
Yeah. Before and so hand, you know,
Oh.
a lot of people and building 2.5 years, but they work hard, you know. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
You and paper, no wood, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and they capture, you know.
Yeah. Shit. If you didn't have paper, you get captured. What's that? The gun scared.
In Neverland, the visit, no land, no visit, you know. We had 400 people,
400.
What?
one village.
It's crazy.
Yo, they got power sockets in here.
As if they don't have like two.
What?
I just said that back then.
That's sick, bro. There's so much going on.
And the one room, and 2 people, you know.
Wow.
And Hoàng Cầm cooking rice and vegetable and food and learn the people keep rice to eat here. Hoàng Cầm cooking 400 people to eating. You know,
Yeah.
Hoàng Cầm cooking in here and half kilometer camouflage cigarette. You know, a plane around cigarette, rocket, no cigarette, no fighting. You know.
Okay.
You want camouflage half kilometer cigarette, you know?
Yeah, for a cigarette.
At the train, you know, a long half kilometer.
Yeah.
Cooking here, cigarette outside.
Smoke cigarette outside? Yes, yes.
Play cigarette. Idiot. Here no cigarette, no fighting.
Yeah.
Okay. One room, like
2 people.
Yeah. 1967, 68, and not oil. 105. At 0105.
Tunnel entrance.
Sorry, boys, just need to take a leak.
Okay, quickly, okay? Now the finish, yeah? Broken. Ini broken.
Oh, I've seen this in a magazine.
Oh.
Back.
What?
No one has ownership of the middle class.
South Vietnam, North Vietnam.
Yeah.
Die, Forest Mountain, die village farm. Yeah? Now in 1978, and then Army North, and then Berry, boring berry here. And then the skeleton, little skeleton, skin the finish, you know. First die, Forest Mountain, village farm.
We're at the Imperial Palace of HUE. This is where the Emperor was housed. There's a moat that goes around the perimeter of the wall. Sitting outside the citadel because it costs 150,000 dong to get in. Damn. Reckon this was a toll gate back in the day.
Toll. Toll for the key, bro.
Yo, get the drone, man.
Holy crap. Drone's actually sick.
Should I actually go get the drone? Nice one.
Yeah, sick.
Is it you or the black light? This kind of magic in the air. Is it the beat or the white lines? To be honest, I don't care, and I don't know what it is. I know, but it feels right. Yeah, it feels right. Maybe we're under spell, but I don't mind. I'm ready to pay the price. Tell me your most beautiful lies. I'm ready to pay the price.
It went cold like halfway through for me.
Because you probably use the last bit of the reservoir.
And then it like goes off your. It's not evil. It's like. Imagine that's what your TV looks like.
Better than that, you at least
Better
see
than that.
something.
Better than that.
It doesn't fold though. Exactly. I'm sad, I lost my charger.
You always lose shit.
Bro, I think one of you guys ate it. Like, honestly, I unplug it and it's gone.
They should have USB like wall chargers. That'd be even better.
They do at UTS.
Like you charge the wall with your phone.
No, it was a petrol powered at UTS.
Petrol powered.
I feel like if I say that, like, near any classroom or anything. You can get like thrown out. Like let's go to some other uni.
Just have like a page open in your OneNote, like innovative ideas.
How does this someone sees it? Bruh. That's why your water's not working.
Like when one of the, I think the cleaning lady came in and put.
Oh, what? How can we not be having these? I'll just put some in my pocket.
Where the fuck is my charger? Some of you like my charger that much that you have. Bro, fucking hell. Are you serious?
What?
That's mine. Fuck you, man. Jesus. Oh my god, my phone's on 27% now for the entire day, you motherfucker.
That's since last time.
How is that a joke? How is that a fucking joke? I'm gonna spend the day with 27% battery. You guys are, one of you is giving me the portable charger.
If you need your charger, if you have the iPhone then.
Hey, that's too far, Dylan.
Yeah, don't
Hey, no,
bullshit about
it was
something.
under Tomo's pillow.
Actually,
Hey, it was under your pillow.
Fuck off. Legit, it was under Tomo's pillow. Swear to God.
wait, was it actually?
Yeah, and I put it in my pocket.
Oh, you check this out.
That's where I climbed in.
Really?
Haha.
So where would they inject the fuel?
Before. Like
Before the turbine?
After that.
MiG-21. Hey. Got the artillery. What is that? It's like a long-range cannon. That's awesome.
What do you think it's for? Like, what would you shoot with that?
Look how simple it is. Look at the gear. It's one you like turn to like shoot further up. Yeah. There's nothing complicated.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Don't catch.
So cold all of a sudden.